Knock knock, anyone in? Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Yeah, it's good to be back and I'm very happy to be talking to you guys once again. So thank you so much to each and every one of you that checked up on me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, let's dive right into the videos. Okay, we have a lot of time to catch up, but for now let's make this delicious chicken scotch egg. Yeah, I have made scotch egg a lot of times, mostly for breakfast menu and all of that, and I have always used sausages, but in today's video I'm using fresh chickens and I'm very excited about it, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it as well. So in my bowl I have my smoothly blended chicken breast. You want to use chicken breast because it's very easy to cook and it's very soft. I have my boiled eggs. I'm using four. I have my like cornflakes. I blended it to powder. I use Kellogg's. You can use any cornflakes. You can do your own breadcrumbs. Okay, I have a video on my channel where I made breadcrumbs. You can relate to that and make your own. It goes quite well. Okay, so I have my raw egg by the side. Nothing is added, so that's just plain raw eggs. And in my chicken I've added chopped onion and chopped pepper. I'm going to season this to my taste. Okay, you can do whatever you like to your chicken. So I'm adding salt, some ginger, garlic and onion powder. I'm just going to add all of the seasoning I like to use, so do well to season to your preferred, okay, to how you like it. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. This video is very nice. Like, you will love this recipe, trust me. Chicken is a game changer in scotch egg, and I know you will love to try it in your house, for your kids, for your husband, for your wife and all of that. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.
Temilayo and mom recipes on YouTube, the best place to learn all unique commercial recipes, small chops, Nigeria snacks, baked food, drinks, party food. Temilayo and mom recipes on YouTube, the best place to learn all unique commercial recipes, small chops, Nigeria snacks, baked food, drinks, party food. She know how to season. She got all the flavors, make you fall in love. And now I can't get enough. She been with me for a while. She been my partner in crime. She taught me everything I know. Taught me everything I know. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and mom. Temilayo and mom. I wanna show you how it's done. All the commercial recipes, show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping, I be flipping. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping, I be flipping, I be flipping. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and mom. Temilayo and mom. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo with mom. Temilayo with mom.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video because I enjoyed making this video for you guys after a very long time. So all you need to do at the end of this is to add your scotched egg into a medium high oil. The reason why you have to make sure your oil is on medium is because you don't want all your cornflakes or your breadcrumbs, whatever you're using, you don't want them to shed in the oil. You want them to firm up immediately and fry gently. So that is what I did. At this point, once you put your scotched egg on the oil, you want to reduce your heat to low. Okay, you want to reduce your heat. This will help your chicken or sausage, whatever you're using, it will help it to cook properly. Remember, this is raw chicken, but it is chicken breast, so it cooks very fast, in seconds or in minutes. So this is going to be really nice. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching so far, and if you are new on my channel, this is me. I am Temilayo's mom. I make recipes on small chops business. I make recipes Nigerian cuisines. I make all-round recipes, okay, whatever comes to mind. I also go to my comment section and I read comments of what you would like to see, and I bring recipes or create content on it. So let me know in the comment section what you would like to see on this channel, because from the last time I was there, I have had over 800 members join us, or 700 if I'm not mistaken, and I'm so grateful to you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the love. I really do appreciate all of you. So let me know in the comment section what videos you would like to see. Tell me that video that brought you to my channel, and tell me how you want me, any question you have on that video. Let me know what you want to clarify or what you want me to create next about it, or just any video you want me to create in general. I will be here to serve. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. This scotch egg tastes really good. If you are in the food business and you have maybe a request to come and do a tea break, you know, tea breaks for meetings, conferences and all, you can add this deliciousness to your menu, and you are going to have a lot of review because this tasted so good. What you want to do is to under season your chicken. Okay, trust me, chicken breast like takes seasoning easily. It's not hard. So make sure you are not over seasoning your chicken, just to have the balanced taste like I did. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video. Just wait and see what we actually created. I love you guys so much, and from the depth of my heart, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I'll be in the comment section replying and considering all of your suggestions. So do well to visit the comment section as soon as you are done with this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. There's a bell beside it that will notify you whenever I come online with a new video. And also don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, as the algorithm must have forgotten me, but we are here to remind them that yes, Temilayo and mom is back. See you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.